Show by equations the overall chemical reactions involved in the synthesis of polymers from A, CH2 double bond CH COOH. In this case, the polymerization will happen by breaking this double bond. So the polymerization happens across the double bond, which will be CH2 CH, and so the chain continues here and you'll have COOH. So if this is N, you'll have N here. Next one. This is a 4-membered ring with an oxygen in one vertex. We can visualize this hydrogens present in around each of these carbon atoms, one behind the plane and one jutting out of the plane. In this case, the polymerization happens by ring opening at the epoxy linkage. So the bond can break here or the bond can break here in one of those places. So it's ring opening at the epoxy group, and that will give us there are 3 CH2 groups if you open the ring. So CH2 3 times, oxygen, all right, next one, CH2 5 times, NH2 on either side. This is a diamine reacting with CH2 5 times with carbonyl chloride group on either side, COCl. The polymerization happens by condensation and removal of HCl. So the diamine and the chlorine react, removing HCl in between them, giving so CH2 5 times NH CO, because the HCl has been eliminated, and then CH2 5 times CO. Again, the chlorine gets eliminated, so it stops there. And on this side, you'll have just NH because the one hydrogen from the amino group has got eliminated with HCl. So here, if we started with N moles of the diamine and we reacted with N moles of the dicarbonyl chloride, we have the amide linkage here. We get the polyamide, which is repeating N times, and with removal of 2N minus 1 of HCl. This is because for every molecule there are 2 amino groups and there is 2 COCl groups. So every time 2 groups of HCl are removed, but in the end molecules they remain intact So we write 2n minus 1. We have a diol, which is ethylene glycol in this case. This is an isocyanate group. Okay. So we have two isocyanate groups and we have two hydroxy groups, and the isocyanate group can be written as, in the expanded form, so that will give carbamate group or the urethane group. Similarly, here you will have the NHCO group. The last one is CH2 double bond CHF. So this is simple. The polymerization happens across the double bond.